Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
Hi, my name is Lauren Gobble, and I'm from Seneca County Junior Leadership. So today I'm going to do a demonstration over how to make taco salad. So first, before you start cooking, you always want to make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds and pull back your hair and wear clean clothes. So first, we are going to brown our meat. So we're going to turn the stove on to medium, and then we're going to spray the pan. And then we're going to add one package of ground meat, and it's going to be 1 pound. And then we're just going to break that up. And then while that's browning, we're going to chop 1 small onion. When your meat is almost done browning, you want to add your 1 small onion. Then next you want to add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning or 1 package. And then you're going to mix that all together. Now your meat's done browning, so we want to slide it off the burner and turn it off. Next, we want to chop 1 head of lettuce and 1 large tomato. Now we're going to dice the tomato. Then we're going to add that into the bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of cheese. Then we're going to add 1 can of kidney beans. And you also want to make sure that you rinse your kidney beans. Then our meat should be cooled off by now, so we're going to add that in also. Next, we're going to make the sauce. Now for the sauce, you will need the following ingredients: 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a cup of ketchup, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 6 tablespoons of vinegar. So first we're going to add the oil. which we're going to need 1 cup. And you want to make sure you're using a liquid measuring cup. And you also want to make sure that's eye level. Okay, now we're going to pour that into the bowl. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. You also want to level that off with a knife. Then we'll just add that into the bowl. Next, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Then we'll add that in. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then 6 tablespoons of vinegar. And then we're going to whisk that together. Next, you want to add in your crushed Doritos. You also want to make sure you open the bag to release the air. When the chips are bite-sized, you want to add that into the bowl. Then we're going to stir it. When it's all mixed together, you can dish it into serving bowls. Thank you for watching.